Hello class, welcome back to your maths classes. And kids, yesterday we have started money, we have started division of money, right? Now yesterday we have done lots of sum based on money, and so today we will start exercise. Which exercise we have to do today? Today we will do exercise 7.7, a very easy and interesting exercise. So we are going to do exercise 7.7 today. Okay, so let us start. Exercise 7.7. Exercise 7.7. Now kids, I'll start with first question. First question is divide and fill in the blank. So the first question says 32 rupees divided by 4. First question says 32 rupees divided by 4. Mind it. So let us do. First question is 32 rupees divided by 4 will be equals to how much? How much rupees? So what we will do? We will just divide it. हमने क्या करना है? We have to just divide it. हमें इसे सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ सिंपल क्या कर देना है? We have to just divide it. Now kids, 32 rupees divided by 4. So this question so we can do orally also. But to explain this question to you, I am going to use that block division method. Chalo, let us divide. and 4. Now how many times do we get 32 in 4's table? 4 के टेबल में 32 हमें कितनी बार में आएगा? 4 के टेबल में 32 we will get 8 टाइम, right? 8 टाइम में 4 के टेबल में we will get 32. So we will write 8 here, 32 here, and we will minus it, subtract it. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 we will get cross, nothing. 3 minus 3 we will get cross and nothing. So now 4 के टेबल में 32 we will get 8 time. Rupees 8 is our answer. Rupees 8 is our answer. Okay. 32. That means 4 के टेबल में 32. How many times we will get? We will get it 8 time. ठीक है? So that means you are having 32 rupees. So you are having 32 rupees with you, and that 32 rupees you want to divide among 4 of your friends. आपके पास 32 रुपीज़ है, एंड अभी आपको क्या चाहिए कि भाई वो 32 रुपीज़ में डिवाइड कर दूँ अपने 4 किड्स में, 4 फ्रेंड्स में. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे. आप 1 स्टूडेंट को कितना दोगे? यू विल गेट 8 rupees you will give to 4 of your friends. See, अगर मैं 8 दूँ सब सारे बच्चों को 8 rupees अपने फर्स्ट फ्रेंड. अच्छा चलो, let me make some friends. Okay, so this one is my friend number 1. Is going to get 8 rupees. That's why he is so happy. This one is my friend number 2. This one is friend number 3, and this one is friend number 4. Okay, let us चलो. तो आपने इनको 8 रुपीज़ दिया, इनको भी 8 रुपीज़ दिया, इनको भी 8 रुपीज़ दिया, एंड इनको भी आपने 8 रुपीज़ दिया. तो टोटल आपने कितने पैसे दिए अपने फ्रेंड्स को? टोटल आपने दिए 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32. तो आपने 32 रुपीज़ अपने फ्रेंड्स को दे दिए, है ना? 32 रुपीज़ आपने क्या किया? अपने फ्रेंड्स को दे दिया. ठीक है, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स अगर हमारे पास टोटल 32 रुपीज़ है, देखो डिवाइड मीन्स क्या? डिवाइड मीन्स किसी भी गिवन अमाउंट को बांटना. डिवाइड मीन्स दिए हुए अमाउंट को कुछ निश्चित पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देना. दैट मीन्स बांट देना. तो आपके पास 32 रुपीज़ थी, आपके पास कितना था 32 रुपीज़ था। आपने उसको क्या किया, आपने उसको अपने फ्रेंड 1, फ्रेंड 2, फ्रेंड 3, फ्रेंड 4 में आपको डिवाइड करना था ना। क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि भाई एक फ्रेंड को आप कितना दोगे, तो एक फ्रेंड को आपने दिया 8 रुपीज़। एक फ्रेंड को हमने कितना दिया, 8 रुपीज़ दिया है ना। ओके, नाउ लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Okay, now let us do the next question. Next question is 75 paise, mind it, not rupees but paise, 75 paise and divided by 5. 75 paise divided by 5. 75 paise divided by 5. Now kids, this time I am having paise with me. So I am having 75 paisa. I am having 75 paise that I want to divide among 5 of my friends. So how many paise will I give to each one of my friends? What I will do? I will divide, है ना? I will divide 75 with 5. Let us do. I will divide 75. I'll divide 75 with how much? I'll divide 75 with 5. Okay. Let us do. First of all, I will take it one time. 5 ones are 5. Now 7 minus 5 I will get 2. I will carry down 5. Now 5 के टेबल में 25. How many times you will get? 5 के टेबल में 25 आपने कितनी बार आना है आपको? 5 के टेबल में 25 you will get 5 5s are 25. You will get 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. So subtract. Okay. So अगर आपके पास 75 पैसा as in all है and you want to divide it among 5 of your friends, so you have to give 15 paisa to each of your friend. You have to give 15 पैसा आपको अपने हर एक फ्रेंड को देना होगा. 15 पैसा और 0 रुपीज एंड 15 पैसा. 0 रुपीज एंड 15 पैसा है ना, क्योंकि रुपीज का पार्ट इज मिसिंग ना, तो दैट्स व्हाई. तो ना इस क्वेश्चन में क्या हुआ, इधर I was having 75 पैसा and have to divide that 75 पैसा among 5 of my friends. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने उसको 5 से डिवाइड किया and I have got 15 पैसा. That means I will give 15 पैसा to each one of my friends. That means I will give 15 पैसा to अपने हर एक फ्रेंड को I will give 15 पैसा. Okay, moving toward the next question. Next question is 144 rupees divided by 8. Next question is ₹144 divided by 8. Now do this question yourself. Do this question yourself. Come on, 144 rupees divided by 8. So now this question you have to do yourself. Come on, do this. Let us make a division box first. 144, I will write 144 rupees and 8 outside. Now divide. Come on, divide this. Come on बेटा, divide करिए. Count the table. चलो करते हैं. 8, 14, 4. We will start with here. Here I am having 14. Here I am having 14. अब 8 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करो कि 14 आ जाए. 8 का टेबल हमने ऐसा काउंट करना है कि हमारा 14 आ जाए. कैसे आएगा? लेट अस सी. 8 का टेबल कैसा हम लोग काउंट करेंगे कि हमारा 14 आ जाए. चलो काउंट आफ्टर 8 टू गेट 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many times? कितना बचा? 14 minus 8? 6. Now carry down this 4 also. Now 8 के टेबल में 64. How many times you will get बेटा? 8 के टेबल में 64. नेक्स्ट 8 के टेबल में 64 कितनी बार में? 8 8 जा 64. सो 8 8 जा 64 minus cross cross. So our answer will be rupees 18. 18 rupees will be our answer. This much is clear to you all, है ना? 144 रुपीज था, हमने उसको 8 से डिवाइड किया एंड अवर आंसर इज 18 रुपीज. 18 रुपीज इज अवर आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ₹19.92 divided by 6. Now see. Next question, let me write that question on the board and then I will explain you. 19 rupees 92 paisa divided by 6. 19 rupees 92 paisa divided by 6. Now kids, in this question you can see paisa part is also there. In this question paisa part is also there. So what we will do? We will do the simple division. And then 2 place पे हम क्या लगा देंगे? We will put a dot at the 2 place. 2 place पे we will put a dot. Come on, do this question yourself. Come on, come on. Do this question. 19 rupees 92 paisa, you have to divide that number with 6. Chalo, come on, let us do. 19 rupees 92 paisa divided by 6. Now काउंट 6 टेबल. 6 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करिए कि 19 आ जाए. कम ऑन. 6 का टेबल यू हैव टू काउंट इन सच अ वे दैट आंसर क्या आ जाए? 19 आ जाए. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12 and 6 3 जा you will get 18 minus. Now 19 minus 18 we will get 1. Carry down 9. Now again 6 का टेबल ऐसा पढ़ना है कि 19 आ जाए. Again count 6 टेबल in such a way that you get 19. तो 19 जो 6 के टेबल में आने से रहा, तो how many times we will count it? We will take it 3 times. Now 6 3 जा 18. 19 minus 18 will get 1 again. Carry down 2. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. चलो माइनस करो 12 minus 12 we will get nothing. So our answer is 3 3 2. Now what we have to do? अब भाई 2 प्लेस पे, राइट से 2 प्लेस पे we will put a dot. राइट से 2 प्लेस पे we will put a dot. Rupees 3.32. That means 3 rupees and 32 paisa. 3 rupees and 32 paisa. 3 rupees 32 paisa is our answer. Okay. So kids, here I have explained you 4 questions of exercise 7.7. Divide and fill in the blanks. Now remaining 2 questions, that is question number 5 and question number 6. Remaining 2 questions you guys will do yourself. I am not going to help you. Remaining 2 questions you will do yourself. Okay. Great. So next thing that we have to study today is word problem. Word problem based on division. So the next thing that we are going to study is word problem, and that too word problem based on division. Okay kids, so here I am going to write 2 questions on the board. Let me write these 2 questions and then we will talk about them. So I am going to erase this. Okay, so the question number 1. The cost of one book is 450 rupees. What will be the cost of 3 books? Now, so the cost of one book is rupees 450. Now, what will be the cost of 3 such books? Okay, so this is question number 1. Now I am going to write next part of the question. Be very attentive, kids. So, the cost of 3 books, the cost of 3 books is rupees 660. Find the cost of one such book. Now, see, 2 questions I have written on the board. Both the questions These both the question, this sounds very similar. Both of these questions, they sounds very similar. But there is a big difference. Let us read the questions once again to find out the key difference here. Now, the cost of one book is 450 rupees. The cost of one book is 450 rupees. What will be the cost of 3 books? वन का दिया है, many का पूछ रहा है. देखो वन का दिया, one book का price is given here. One book का price is given here. They are asking you to find the price of 3 books. फिर से one book का price is given. They are asking you to find the price of 3 books. Let us read the next question. The cost of 3 books. The cost of 3 books is rupees 660. So the 3 books collectively they cost 660 rupees. Find the cost of one such books. Find the cost of one such books. अब इधर क्या हुआ? In the next question, cost of 3 books are given. So the cost of 3 book is given. Now they are asking you to find out the price of one book. 3 book का price is given and they are asking you to one book. Find the price of one such book. So kids, in this question 1 book का दिया है, in this question 3 book का दिया है, 1 का पूछ रहा है, इधर 3 का पूछ रहा है. Now मैंने आपको बताया है द वेरी सिंपल रूल. जब 1 का प्राइस दिया हो, 1 का दिया हो और मैनी का पूछे, व्हाट वी विल डू? जब 1 का दिया हो एंड मैनी का पूछे, सो देयर यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. दैट मीन्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू multiply. Why multiply? Because 1 book का price is given and they are asking you to find out the price of 3 books. 1 book का price is given, they are asking you to find out the price of 3 books, 3 such books. तो क्या करेंगे? तो हम multiply करेंगे. But if the price of 3 books is given, the cost of 3 books is 160 rupees and they are asking you to find the price of one such book. Many का दिया है, 1 का पूछ रहा है, तो here what you will do? You will divide. Here you will multiply and in this question what you will do? You will divide. Why you are going to do so? See. Let us understand this with the help of books only. हमने book का example लिया, तो let us understand this with the help of books only. So here I am having this one book. Here I am having this one book. So the cost of one book is 450 rupees. So the cost of one book is 450 rupees. Now 450 की one book. Now add 450. 450 and 450. That means 450, 450 plus 450. That means what we have to do? We have to, what we have to do here? 450, 450, 450. That means we have to multiply here. Now, in the next question, 3 books का प्राइस साथ में दे दिया. They have given the price of 3 books. That these 3 books cost rupees 660. And they are asking us to find out the price of one book. So what we will do? We will divide. तो हम divide के word problems को कैसे identify करेंगे? Divide के word problem को identify करने के लिए what we will do? Divide के word problem को identify करने के लिए we will see कि many का दिया है and they are asking 1 का. Many का cost is given मैनी का कॉस्ट उन्होंने दे दिया एंड दे आर आस्किंग टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन सच बुक। ओके, वन का दे आर आस्किंग, ठीक है। Okay, now let us move toward our exercise question. So I am going to erase the board. Okay. So the first question I am going to take is 7-entry ticket to zoo cost rupees 37.80. What is the cost of one ticket? Now 7 entry tickets की प्राइस आपको दी है. So the cost of 7 entries ticket. So this is example question. So the cost of 7 entries ticket equals to, and next statement will be cost of 1 entry ticket. So the cost of 7 entry ticket is 37 rupees and 80 paisa. 37 rupees and 80 paisa. We have to find the cost of 1. So the cost of 1 entry ticket will be 37 rupees 80 paisa divided by 7. Why divided by 7? क्योंकि 7 का प्राइस दिया है, 1 का पूछा है. To find out the price of 1, we have to divide this with the help of 7. So let us divide. $37.80. That means 37 rupees 80 paisa divided by 7. Okay. 37 rupees 80 paisa divided by 7. So how many times we will take it? First of all, we will take it 5 times. We will get 35. 37 minus 35 we will get 2. We will carry down 8. We will carry down 0. And how many times do we get 0 in 7's table? 0 क्या आता है 7 के टेबल में? Yes, 7 zeros are 0. Put a cross. Now 2 place there we will put a point. Now so the cost of 1 entry ticket is 5 rupees and 40 paise. So the cost of 1 entry ticket is 5 rupees and 40 paise. देखो, एक जू था जहाँ पे एनिमल्स थे ऑब्वियसली, तो एक जू था जहाँ पे क्या हुआ, जहाँ पे 7 एंट्री टिकट्स खरीदी गई और एक एंट्री टिकट की कॉस्ट थी 37 रुपीज 80 पैसे. तो भाई 1 की क्या कॉस्ट होगी? तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड एंड बाय डिवाइडिंग वी हैव गॉट द आंसर 5 rupees and 40 पैसा. सी 5 rupees and 40 पैसा इज अवर आंसर. ओके, समझ में इतनी बातें सबको समझ में आ गई? ओके, ग्रेट. सो किड्स, टुडे वी हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग अवर एक्सरसाइज 7.7. Today we have started doing our exercise 7.7 and we have done up to question number 4. Now mind it, question number 5 and 6 is your homework, and today we have done some example question based on word problem of division of money. Tomorrow also we will start with the same. Now till then, goodbye.